And this is how Bormia High-Tech is created from nature. Here you see a stainless steel tube in section. In it you see a spiral spring, which is copied from nature. Our model was an emanate. This carries a natural rhythm in itself, in the golden section, of course. Nature, the entire organic world, and thus also you and your body, is subject to the mathematics of the golden section. That's very important to know. The construction principle of nature is polar. We have two directions of rotation. Left rotation, female principle; right rotation, male principle. We all know that the heart is defined as a central organ of your body, as a pump. It has the function of the vortex chamber, whirling arterially left-turning and rhythmically into the body, female principle, and venously, male principle, right-turning and rhythmically back to the heart. The heart. Yes, the heart functions as a zero-point energy generator, means it is based on harmony. And that's very new and important as well. And that is exactly what we have copied, studied, understood, and copied. And how these spirals work in cooperation, you can see now. On the left, you see pressure-damaged, destructured tap water with minerals flowing through the spirals. In the middle you see cow milk, oat or soy milk with fat or oil portions. And on the right you see a mixture of, for example, milk, fruit and vegetable juice, or one of your ideas. It will work. You will find the spiral regularly arranged pressure and vacuum moments in a conical structure, which increases the speed of passage. The liquid is vortexed centripetally. This is very important too. At the point of intersection, the X point, the rotation of the fluid or the fluids is going to be maximized toward the end of the spiral. And what happens here? The ingredients of all liquids are speeded up so that they can be torn apart and being homogenized at the X point. Means nanometerization of nature by a nature principle. Scanning electron microscopy shows it like this. Right picture without Bormia, left picture with Bormia. Bormia produces drinking water for you with higher energy metabolism of your cells, an anti-inflammatory effect, an antioxidant effect, and increased cell vitality, and a higher cell regeneration. And the same effect you transfer to your products as a producer, and that generates stable shelf life, colloidality, and therefore vitality in the product, 100% bioavailability, homogeneity, and increased aroma, and much, much more. Here the certificate from the cell biology, only a cutout. You will find the originals on our website. On the left, you can see the increase of energy metabolism. On the right, the anti-inflammatory effect by Bormia water. The results of the biophysics from Dr. Medinger from the Johannes Kepler University in Linz, Austria. Bormia treatment exerts an influence on almost all cell body functions, as well as on various psychological, cognitive and mental functions, predominantly via higher level centers of central control. As you can see, there's a win-win effect on all levels. Create your future with Bormia. test Bormia.